अगर तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड के लड़के दोस्त से हमें प्रॉब्लम है एंड वी टेल यू, उससे दोस्ती थोड़ी कम कर दो बिकॉज वी हैव दैट रेडार.
Only one man will be having a problem with me on a date.
Who?
Papa.
जैसे मैं आपको बाहर मिला and you had that smile, like the dimples, like हो गया मैं गया. Bro, she has done research, bhai. It's scary, bro. She knows everything about me. I don't know anything about her. Having girlfriends
Is important.
Yeah,
You shouldn't have a lot of girlfriends.
I don't. I'm very skeptical about kids क्योंकि तुम उससे इतना ध्यान रखो, उसे खाना डालो and then फिर वो जब बड़ा होता है थोड़े पैसे वेस्ट लगता है. You double text.
Triple, 4 times, 10 times, I don't care.
Don't do that.
Why?
It's like an ick.
I recently found out that being in a relationship and dating are two different things.
Obviously.
What do you mean, obviously?
It's a dialogue which you wouldn't know.
ये dialogue कौन tattoo कराता है भाई? I think we'll be a very weird couple. And my manager is sitting right there. Good question, spot on.
So your best friend will approve of me?
आप मेरे को cancel करवाओगे?
Is he my type? I mean,
Tell me I can't, and you know I will. Tell me don't go and I'll keep moving. Tell me stop.
He looks like a very, very Delhi boy. I saw he has one of his ears pierced. One of them? 2? One, I think I noticed one. And his eyebrows are sharper than mine. That's what I have to say.
She gives off very golden retriever vibes and मतलब very sunflower energy. So yeah.
And what do you think? How's the date gonna go?
Low-key scared, bro, because of the reason I told you कि मेरे को कल ही पता चला है कि this is a date and not a podcast. So let's see. Hi, Kanchi.
Hi, Vikhyat. How are you?
I'm good.
You're not
Guys.
good. You're very fine.
Guys, इसने मेरे से लड़ाई करके left profile ले ली. I wanted the seat, but ठीक है.
I mean, he won a lot of points because he let me have my side. So, I mean, it's okay only. Like, he won points there. Cutie. This is 2025. Men want princess treatment so bad. Yeah, men used to
No,
go to
no.
war.
No,
Now
it's
they
like-
want
it's like
left profile.
लड़ाई से शुरू हुआ तो enemies to lovers वाला arc is better ना.
Okay, so you hate me, which means
I-
it's enemies to lovers.
I don't hate you. I gave you the seat.
So you like me.
We'll see.
Okay, so hate तो चलो नहीं है. We'll go
Hate तो
somewhere.
नहीं है.
But I stalked you.
Okay.
And उसमें आपने कहीं तो बोला था कि brown balayage hair is your type. So I am clearly not your type then.
No, but it looks good on you. Like your whole aesthetic, the shoes, the nail paint is green and blue. Okay, very colorful aesthetic. Not used to this, but okay.
So
Suits you, suits you.
suits me, but it's not your type. You wouldn't go for it generally.
Usually not, but you can change my mind. We'll see. Hopefully.
Let's see. But your type is also very kurti, pant, jutti.
You have stalked me, bro. She has done her research.
I
bhai.
have.
I should have done my research.
Yeah, you didn't stalk me.
Yeah, because मेरे को कल ही रात को पता चला.
It's fine. It's fine. If you would have stalked me, then you would have fallen in love harder. And I
Okay.
would like to give my real personality a chance.
We have
So it's fine.
1 hour, around 1 hour to
Yeah.
fall in love.
बस 1 घंटा.
नहीं आपको जब तक चलाना
Yeah.
चलाओ, मैं यही हूँ, मैं
Thank
कहीं नहीं
you.
जा रहा.
यही तो चाहिए मुझे, बस एक आदमी जो मुझे बोले कि मैं यही हूँ.
Yes.
What is it like to be in the dating pool as an influencer? Because आपको तो वो वाला
Bro, it's hard.
it's hard.
Harder to date. So,
Yeah.
But I met you somehow, so that's good.
But आपको तो वो वाली प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती होगी ना कि who is going to split the bill? Because आप बोलते हो कि relax, I'll post 2 stories.
Bro, I don't know कौन से influencers के साथ वो डेट पे गई है, but restaurant collab पे तो मैं नहीं ले जाऊंगा उसको. No,
It's
I
on me.
don't do that. I never do that, bro. I never.
You must.
No, I never. So I keep my dating life private because if I'm on a date, I don't want to think about
Deliverables.
deliverables and
Yeah.
social media. नहीं, I just want to be with her.
Yeah.
Preferably not 3 cameras.
Yeah. Yeah.
क्योंकि आपको नहीं लगता कि पर्सनल लाइफ प्राइवेट रखो, सोशल मीडिया पे क्यों
तो
दिखाना?
आप सिंगल हो या आप कंटेंट सिंगल हो?
आपको क्या लगता है?
आप मेरे साथ डेट पे हो तो you have to be single. वरना तो ये if someone finds out that you're on a date, would they have a problem
No,
with it?
I'm single.
Which means you're single, na?
Yeah.
Nah, only one man will be having a problem with me on a date.
Who?
पापा.
Oh, okay.
That's all. Yeah, but ऐसा आपको किससे ज़्यादा डर लगता है, कॉकरोच या छिपकली?
दोनों से नहीं.
दोनों से नहीं.
मैं आपके लिए भगा दूंगा दोनों को.
ओके ओके.
Yeah, आपको दोनों से
मुझे
लगता है?
सिर्फ आपको खोने से डर.
Oh, okay. Good one.
Okay, but does it like, you know how girls get nervous around guys, and especially guys they like, and they do certain things. Since you know so much about women, so I want to ask you, do you catch that? कि तुम लड़कियां नर्वस हो रही हैं जब, and whatever they are doing, they are fidgeting or whatever it is
I
that they're
get
doing.
that sense. Yeah.
Yeah, what are the things that girls do that give it away that they're nervous?
They are into you, yeah, they're nervous.
They're nervous because they're into you.
Sometimes I intentionally crack bad jokes and she still laughs and in a weird way, and then she looks here and there कि बाकी कोई नहीं हंसा, and then she's like गलत हंस गई. So,
Yeah, पता लग जाएगा.
Yeah.
But is it nice to have that power कि oh, I can make somebody weak in their knees?
Bro, okay. No, it's not about power. It's just conversation करनी आती है तो ठीक है ना.
Yeah.
हाँ. आप बताओ, आपको कभी प्यार हुआ? You're single, right?
Yes.
आपको कभी प्यार हुआ है?
रोज होता है.
Bro.
नहीं.
So what does love feel like to you?
I think it's very like it should feel like home. Whoever you're with, you should be like, and in any capacity, romantic and whatever platonic love, it should just feel like okay, I'm home. I don't need to pretend and I don't need to put on a face, whatever, of makeup or generally of a personality that I'm not. And it should just look like companionship and just like you know, kids having fun.
This is my person.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगता है अगर तुम्हें प्यार है तो बाकी पूरी दुनिया NPC बन जाती है, like नॉन प्लेइंग कैरेक्टर जो गेम्स में होते हैं, कि वो बस है बट तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, and it's just
Genuinely, like when you look at them,
yeah.
it's like they have some sort of a beauty filter and everybody
Yeah,
else is like blurry and you don't
exactly.
see other people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And जैसे if you have not seen them for let's say 2-3 days, homesick की जगह you get Ekanshi sick. So
A personalized this whatever thing for me sold.
Neat.
You've been Ekanshi sick for life and that changes today.
okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
What do you think about dating apps? Nahi
Bro,
na?
no. I don't want to meet someone
Yeah.
through an app. No.
Yeah. But every app can be a dating app if you're Indian enough.
True.
LinkedIn पे
I've
लोग-
heard LinkedIn relationships last long and they get married eventually.
No
not
comments.
on dating apps. Yeah, I want to meet someone like not 3 कैमरा के सामने, but जैसे कि friend की parties पे mutuals के through कि oh hi.
I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा with social media also you have so much like preconceived notions. Like I have so many preconceived notions about you already, which
Okay.
could be good, which could be bad, and you
Okay.
could match them, or you could. But then you are in a competition with your own self, which you shouldn't be if you're meeting somebody for the first
Yeah.
time. So वो थोड़ा weird.
Okay, so since this is my first podcast,
Yeah.
what I haven't asked this question to someone. What is my what do you think of when you see my content? What do you think of Vikhyat?
I think Vikhyat is Mr. Know-it-all. He thinks that he knows women and he has it figured out, which we'll know if it's right or not. Like, I'm not bashing you, saying
Yeah.
that you don't know it.
I mean, it's my job to know it all. Have you seen my content?
But you also are somebody who knows what they want.
Okay.
So you know if you like a certain hair color or if you
I
like
will say it.
if you
I
like
will
corporate
say
baddie aesthetic. I have stalked you, bro.
She has stalked me.
Stalking skills are.
But I'm impressed. I'm
Thank you.
impressed.
अब मैं कैसे impress हूँ फिर? आपने तो नहीं किया stalk.
यार वही ना कि पहले से नहीं जानता ना मैं, आज मैं आपको जान रहा हूँ.
तो अगर आपने आज रात को जाके stalk नहीं किया मुझे.
I will.
How do you know if you like somebody or if you just like the attention that they're giving you?
यार I think वो 1 second में पता चल जाता है when you meet someone. Like in that 1 second of meeting them, you know. जैसे मैं आपको बाहर मिला and you had that smile, like the dimples, like हो गया, मैं गया, हो गया.
I was baby best smile. I had that sash when I
No
was
way,
a
man, no
baby. Yeah.
I will see that picture later.
Yeah. I'll send it to you.
When's your birthday?
27th November.
Sagittarius. Okay, outgoing. Okay, trips.
I want to, but
Okay.
उतनी हो नहीं पाती. Only bad trips.
Oh भाई.
BT होती है सिर्फ.
क्या हुआ है?
Yeah. What about you? When's your birthday?
20 June.
20th June. I don't know.
Yeah,
क्या
Gemini.
Oh, double phase.
Oh नहीं भाई.
That I know.
नहीं.
That's like the first thing that हर Gemini के लिए लिखा होता है.
Yeah, adaptable, but again, we'll find out.
Two-faced could also mean like,
Two good faces.
yeah, exactly. Like you just have different personalities for different people. That doesn't necessarily mean one
I
is
think I'm
bad.
adaptable.
Yeah,
Not two-faced, adaptable.
yeah.
Like I can talk to everyone about different things.
Yeah, that only. What's your like go to, like if you like somebody and you see somebody and you want to go and approach them, what would you do?
Usually I don't.
You have to ना, मतलब अब सब काम मैं ही करूँ क्या? You have to do something. Why do you always need a wingman? I to go up and say
What do you say?
like hey.
Hi,
करते
and
बात. अरे means like अब मैं hi बोलूँगी तो
अच्छा,
आप
okay,
hi
okay,
बोलोगे,
okay.
फिर मैं कुछ see pickup lines and all is very like मस्ती, but you
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
actually like pick
Use-
someone and
yeah,
talk to
yeah.
them after a pickup line. वो creep out हो जाएंगे.
हाँ.
But was it raining on your birthday?
Raining on my birthday? No.
Because the sky was crying to lose such a beautiful star.
Bro, good lines, good lines. Okay,
Thank
okay. Since this is a lunch date,
Yeah.
तो आप लोगों ने मेरे से पूछा था टीम ने कि क्या खाओगे. आपने अपना बताया था प्रेफरेंस.
Yeah. I to first you snack.
अरे,
Best
oh.
snack of all. Snack for you.
Okay.
Snack for me. You
Okay.
are, and for you there is a full course meal,
Okay.
which is also me.
But no, I'm asking कि what is
Preference?
your preference? Cuisine. What do you
Yeah,
like?
really depends on the mood. Like,
Okay.
but I'm a big fan
Of.
of गाड़ी में बैठ के बाहर से ऑर्डर करके गाड़ी में खाना.
Okay. नहीं, what cuisine?
Anything like get chap roll or rajma chawal or
Okay.
momos or even sushi, क्योंकि road side पीतमपुरा पे तो मिल ही जाती है
Okay,
वो
okay,
भी.
okay.
But like I just like, I feel like, and I enjoy my food.
हाँ.
Like I can't eat for the sake of eating.
Okay.
So I am a very I'll eat
Yeah.
कुछ भी.
Okay.
But
Depending
कुछ-
on the mood.
हाँ, but वो होना चाहिए like the
Company
I
matters
can't do
more.
very extremely fancy places. It makes me feel very like
Okay.
इतना से prim proper तुमने ऐसे
Yeah,
कुछ गिरा
yeah,
दिया,
yeah.
शांति है. It's very
You wanna be that
off-putting.
messy eater
Yeah.
also. ठीक है.
Bro, you know how I imagine somebody falling in love with me? Exactly like तू झूठी मैं
Yeah, I
वफा.
was about to say when
Yeah,
she eats that
yeah.
croissant.
Oh,
Okay.
एक और white. Bro, that is how I envision.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do guys like that? Because usually what people tell us and लड़कियों की conditioning ऐसे की जाती है कि वो like eat like a lady and you should eat like
Okay.
a
No,
girl
that
and you
doesn't
know.
matter to us.
Yeah.
We just want यार हमें ना genuineness दिख जाती है. So I think that matters more. And वो दिख जाता है कि who is going to a cafe या फिर whatever
Yeah.
just to show कि
Yeah.
okay she's going to a cafe. Nah.
हाँ, वो cafe story नहीं चलेगी, book story चलेगी.
Yeah. Bro, she has done research, bhai. It's scary, bro. She knows everything about me. I don't know anything about her.
You ask me whatever you want to know, I'll tell you. I'm an open
Okay.
book.
Okay. What do you think of kids in the future?
मेरे बच्चे?
Yeah.
अभी तो मैं खुद बच्ची हूँ, मेरे से सोचा नहीं जा रहा है. No, but I feel like I've been elder daughter syndrome है ना. So
अच्छा,
I've
you're an elder
taken yeah
daughter.
eldest. So
Okay.
like I've taken so much responsibility in my own head.
Okay.
So I don't like अभी मुझसे उतना easily quickly imagine नहीं होता. Like I'm not against the idea, but it really depends on the kind of a person that I end up with.
So you have how many siblings?
2.
Younger.
Yeah.
Oh damn. Well, you know, so this is I have 2 green flags and goals. एक तो if she has a lot of girlfriends, because that means okay,
Yeah.
you're not like crazy. Why having girlfriends
Is important.
important.
I shouldn't be able to say the same for you though.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
shouldn't have a lot of girlfriends.
I don't.
Good.
But like, and the other one
Yeah.
is elder
Daughter.
sibling.
Yeah, elder
Like you
sibling.
have
Yeah.
that, क्या बोलते हैं उसे mindset कि ध्यान रखना है चीज़ों का.
Yeah, but that's very like
So-
sometimes I feel like I'm a mother already. And
Okay.
sometimes that tends to be like I was talking to my best friend about it. It tends to happen in relationships also, like
You end
because
up,
yeah, mothering the
that
guy, and then it's like I don't want to be your mom,
Okay.
but you end up doing it yourself, and then
Yeah.
guys love it also. It's not about you make a plan. It's about वो feel हो जाता है ना कि do you even want to meet me as badly as I want to meet you?
Like the
That's all.
intensity should be the same
Yeah.
on both sides.
I don't care कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, हम किसने प्लान बनाया है, हर बार मैं ही क्यों बनाऊं. And you know this
But
whole
थोड़ा तो लगता है ना कि यार तू भी तो बना
नहीं
plan.
मुझे
ऐसे
अच्छा
नहीं
लगता है कि मुझे क्या खाना है हर बार मेरी पसंद का, और श्योर आई लव दैट.
Okay.
बट वो मतलब अगर मैं इनिशिएटिव सिर्फ मैं कर रही हूँ
Yeah.
कि आपको मिलना ही नहीं, मिलने अच्छा चल लेंगे, दैट इज ऑफ पुटिंग. आई नो व्हाट आई वांट, आई नो व्हाट आई वांट टू ईट, वो ठीक है मैं प्लान कर लूँगी.
Okay.
मतलब कोई और करे तो वो भी चलेगा, ऐसे
Yeah,
कर सकते हो
I'll
आप,
plan.
अलाउड है आपको.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll go pan Asian. पता नहीं क्यों experiment करता
Yeah,
रहता हूँ मैं, and now I'm really stuck on वगैरह. So we'll go there
Done.
whenever. रात को, I don't know.
Okay, dinner.
Dinner.
We already have a second date.
Yeah.
Okay.
After this, with no cameras.
Okay.
No offense, guys. So you said
Yeah.
kids maybe.
Yeah, like it depends on the person that I'm with.
Okay.
What
Same.
about you?
Yeah, वही कि I'm very skeptical about kids क्योंकि तुम उससे इतना ध्यान रखो, उसे खाना डालो, and then फिर वो जब बड़ा होता है, I don't know, थोड़े पैसे waste लगता है. So I'm really not sure about kids right now,
Yeah.
but we'll see in the future.
Yeah, it's just a very big investment that you don't know इसका ROI क्या होगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In this economy, kids.
In this
no.
economy, schools bro, school की fees disgusting. Yeah. But खाने की बहुत ज़्यादा बात हो गई है, तो हम little hungry, तो
अच्छा, okay, okay.
let's get
ठीक है.
food, shall we?
Food is here, finally. Did you order this?
Yeah.
आपको क्या पसंद है सबसे ज़्यादा इसमें से?
आप.
भाई रुकती नहीं है भाई, she is non-stop.
तो वो पे निकल जाता है ना वो वैसे ही.
Okay, okay.
आपको देख के कैसे रुकूं फिर?
Please
But
have it.
No, you first.
Ladies first.
Okay. After you. What is the male equivalent of forehead kisses?
Forehead kisses. हाँ, why not भाई? I think आज तक नहीं हुई bro, and I don't know how it will feel like.
That is so sad.
Yeah.
कभी तो हुई होगी यार.
Forehead kiss ना.
कभी नहीं करी किसी ने forehead
So
kiss.
I don't know what is the equivalent. Maybe it is the equivalent.
That is so sad.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
You don't have to be sorry.
No, but I am. 24 years of your life you have gone without having a forehead kiss, bro. मैं ना सह पाती.
But I think it's not the norm, na. So
Yeah.
maybe it didn't come up naturally.
Yeah.
I would have been like, whoa, ये क्या किया?
ये तो कोई ये ज़्यादा intimacy हो गई, इसके लिए मैं ready नहीं हूँ. But if I was the president of the dating world, I would make forehead kisses illegal if you're not in love with the person.
Oh, okay.
Like, don't kiss my forehead if you don't want
Because you will
to.
fall.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
that's such a cute thing to do, na? Why do you want to do it if you don't like?
Love the person.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
What's something you would make illegal in the dating world if you were president of the dating world?
Okay, don't do this if you're not in love.
Yeah.
Don't send something to the guy's house. जैसे खाना बना के भेज देते हैं या फिर कि ये पसंद आएगा, तो because वो लगता है कि ओ ये ज़्यादा केयरिंग है, and then your family sees कि okay किसी लड़की ने कुछ भेजा है, so now family also knows, but then आप घोस्ट कर देते हो.
Have you ever
आप
ghosted?
नहीं करोगे मेरे
No,
को.
I'm just asking.
Yeah.
Have you ever ghosted somebody?
Have I ever? No, I've just stopped talking, but I've not ghosted.
Every ghoster ever.
No,
I've just stopped talking. I'm not ghosted. That's what.
No, like I let the person know कि
Okay.
hey, maybe it's not working out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And the thing is, मेरे से इतना मैं चुप ही नहीं रह सकती. तो अगर नहीं हो रहा है और ऐसे फिर मैं लाइक करके छोड़ दूँ मैसेज, या अगर आप ट्राई कर रहे हो या अगर आप नहीं भी ट्राई करो, फिर मेरी और ईगो पे आ जाता है कि अच्छा मैं घोस्ट करने
अच्छा,
वाली थी.
you double text.
Triple, 4 times, 10 times, I don't care.
Don't do that.
Why?
वो लड़कों को in general बता रहा हूँ मैं. It's like an ick. कि bro,
Showing
why?
effort that I like you is an ick.
Yeah.
So I should hate you.
No. So you should
Men are simple, sure.
just don't triple text ever. Double text maybe. But वो लगता है ना कि यार why bro, like
वेली है क्या ये, इसके पास और कोई काम नहीं है,
that is how it comes across. I'm not saying कि ऐसा लगेगा, but that is how it comes across.
I don't triple text कि मतलब मैं से मिली हूँ आज किसी से. I'm saying कि
हाँ मतलब आज नहीं.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Yeah, when you're in a relationship, for sure, go
Yeah.
ahead. Like 10 बार text करो. एक बार वो relationship set हो गई तो.
I recently found out that being in a relationship and dating are two different things.
Obviously.
What do you mean obviously? No. they are the same thing, and he said that they are different things. They are the same thing. That's a red. That's a major ick.
So
If I'm dating somebody, means I'm with them.
no. So if you're dating, has that boy asked you ki, will you be my girlfriend?
That's wow.
Then after that, if you say yes, then you start a relationship.
But
Then you're in a relationship.
but do you need to ask? Like, do you not just know
No,
sometimes?
no, so आप बताओ कि then okay, if you're dating and then
Yeah.
आपके हिसाब से relationship शुरू हो गया है, then when is the anniversary? वो point कहाँ है जब उसने पूछा कि oh now a relationship
Do
starts.
not let the calendar control you. Happy 71st anniversary to you. To us. Means I'm just saying कि
No, but एक डेट होनी चाहिए ना क्योंकि इस दिन उसने पूछा था officially. When were you official?
तो आज की डेट क्या है?
आज 21st है?
ठीक है,
21st
टैटू करवा
है।
लो आप. But also, what's the male equivalent of like girls getting their nails done?
ये तो आप बताओगे ना.
So male equivalent, like we want you to notice our nails and get all
अच्छा,
excited. So what's the
okay.
male equivalent to that?
Maybe the shirt or the watch. कि okay, just or maybe if the guy has trimmed his beard or a stubble, just compliment कि oh looks good.
Or compliment the bicep.
Bicep
No?
is like a little icky.
Icky.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of guys love it.
I mean, depends on guy to guy, but
Yeah.
usually like dressing.
Oh, so we
sense.
shouldn't generalize.
Yeah, shouldn't generalize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Says the man who.
No, I know.
Okay, but what? You getting hot? Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's my fault. I should go away.
कहीं मत जाओ.
Okay. अब आपने कह दिया है तो ठीक. But also, what's the male equivalent of? Do you know how guys do that? When they reverse and they put the hand on the passenger seat. For some reason, it's hot. So what's the male
Okay.
equivalent?
Girls tying their hair. Just being very focused on your work. Like कि मतलब लैपटॉप में बस काम करे जा रही है. यार ये काम कर रही है यार. बेचारी यार छोटी सी है ये. इसको क्यों इतना काम दिया है? किसने दिया है? इसे मत दो काम. इसे एंजॉय करने दो लाइफ.
Cute.
Yeah. Cute girls.
Cute or hot? What's your
Cute.
cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You?
Very personality based. Like I have never looked at somebody and been like, oh, they're so hot, which is why I want to talk to them.
Okay.
Like hotness is very passing. Like if I find somebody hot, I'll be like, oh, hot, and then I'll continue.
forget.
Yeah, eat my food. I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
okay, done.
Okay.
But if someone's cute and their personality is endearing, then I would like think about them a lot.
कि मतलब you wanna have a good conversation
Yeah.
with them first कि अच्छा इसको पहले 3 कैमरे के सामने अच्छे से बात करो and
Yes.
then you'll
That's my
think
style.
about the future. Okay.
If you're good at something, don't do it for free.
True.
Yeah.
True. Respect.
तो वो रील में जो आपने बोला था कि हम लड़के आपके लिए दरवाज़ा खोल देंगे, चेयर पुल कर देंगे, लेकिन अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये लड़का
Yeah, it's
दोस्त
true.
नहीं है.
हाँ, it is true. Like we have that radar for context कि अगर तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड के लड़के दोस्त से हमें प्रॉब्लम है and we tell you, उससे दोस्ती थोड़ी कम कर दो because we have that radar कि यार ये तुम्हें लाइक करता है and you're not able to see that but we can see that.
और वो रेडार कब चला जाता है हमारा, तो हम सेम चीज़ बोलते हैं
नहीं,
कि
so
दिस
I
गर्ल इज
agree.
इनटू यू.
हाँ तो I do that. आप बोलो किस लड़की से कट ऑफ करना है मैं कर दूंगा.
बताती हूँ,
बताओ.
मैं आपकी फॉलोइंग देखूंगी ना आज
अच्छा,
रात
okay,
को.
okay, ठीक है.
But this is very like this is peak girl behavior, wanting to self sabotage, that they go through following list of the guy that they're
ये
interested
मेरे को
in.
बहुत लेट पता चला था.
Yeah?
पता है I did not know कि okay लड़कियाँ इतना डिटेल में देखती हैं.
बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे स्टॉक वर्क, फॉलोइंग लिस्ट, एंड देन अगर किसी का, एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग सेलिब्रिटीज और व्हाटएवर, आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग अ गर्ल हु हैज़ a public profile, then I'll go to her account and then I'll see if you've liked certain posts, and that could literally be your friend for all I know. I don't know, that could literally be a work person.
Yeah.
But then, and if you've commented and if you've liked, I
And
would,
then you make up scenarios
yeah,
in your
like
head.
how
कि
could he
okay,
do this to me? Yeah, do guys do that also, like something like that?
No, depends on guy to guy, but I don't.
You don't think?
I'm
That
very
much.
secure. If I trust you, I trust you. Please don't break my trust. Yeah.
Okay. Is there a theory that you believe in, like invisible string theory or red circle theory?
There is one theory. यार मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ उसका. It's some I forgot the name, but I'll tell you what it is. It's if two people separate, like break up hota hai ya jo bhi
Yeah.
hota hai, even if they live in the same city,
Yeah.
they will never cross paths.
Yes.
What is the name of this theory?
I
You've-
don't. I
you've
also
heard
know,
of
but
it, na? Yeah,
I've read about it,
Yeah.
which means I've seen it on a reel.
Yeah,
But yeah.
You'll, and I think that's true.
Yeah.
You'll never cross paths even if you live in the same city.
Yeah, like once your chapter is
Yeah.
over, for some reason, even if you keep bumping into them, pehle if you kept doing it,
Yeah.
तो वो अब थोड़ा weirdly it just doesn't
Yeah.
happen anymore.
But if it does happen again, that means कि maybe there's a
Yeah.
chance you get back together.
yeah, हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है types.
Yeah.
Are you like a Bollywood hardcore person?
Yeah.
Like what's your
Like recently, I've been cultured again.
Hmm.
So I've started watching purani movies फिर से तीसमार खान, जब we met.
beautiful?
Yeah, you?
I live for Bollywood. I have a Bollywood tattoo.
Oh shit.
It's a dialogue which you wouldn't know because
जो
it's very.
ढूंढते हैं वो मिल ही जाता है.
Just
Bro.
I met you.
No, ये कौन सी मूवी का डायलॉग है?
जब Harry met Sejal.
यार डायलॉग कौन टैटू कराता है भाई? Okay.
That's my whatever core.
Okay.
People don't get it, so it's fine.
Which I was not expecting
Yeah.
a tattoo. More
Yeah.
tattoos?
Yeah, this one.
What is this?
So I met Imtiaz Ali and I told him I was going through a very weird phase in my life, and I met him and I told him that I feel like my life has come to a full circle.
Uh-huh.
And then he told me that no, this is a smaller circle, you're on to a very bigger circle.
Okay.
And he like literally drew it in the air, and that somehow just like stayed with me, and that has kept me going. Anything good happens, anything bad
So
happens.
Imtiaz Ali technically drew that.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
यार मेरे को भी tattoos like attractive लगते हैं, but मेरे को डर लगता है कि मैंने आज तक नहीं करवाया.
So
Should I?
why not?
What? Give me your idea. Like क्या tattoo?
Depends on what you like really want, but I also think that you shouldn't think too much. Like I know my
Okay.
both tattoos are very like deep
Yeah.
meaning or have a meaning whatever, but I also feel like if I like my next tattoo could be like a random mirchi somewhere, like I don't care. Your life's too short.
Maybe हम matching tattoos करा सकते हैं.
Maybe.
But yeah, I've always wanted to get a tattoo, but I don't know what. And वही ना वो permanent होगा, इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ा hesitation है.
So permanency से आप commitment
अरे
issues है
no.
आपको? Commitment issues है आपको, मतलब permanent होने से.
नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah.
But if it's the right tattoo.
Right tattoo, right person,
Right
right time. But do you believe in like right person, wrong time?
Yeah, life experiences.
I don't believe in it. For some reason, I'm like, if it's the right person, I understand the timing
Yeah,
can be wrong.
I know. I was of the same opinion,
Yeah.
but as like when I was 20, 21, I was of the same opinion. But now I've come to realize कि circumstances of your life and that person's life matter a lot.
Yeah.
कि maybe अगर career paths different जा रहे हैं या फिर बहुत सारी चीज़ें different जा रही हैं, it's just not practical.
Yeah, but love isn't supposed to be practical.
Hmm.
Like I understand and I get, like I'm not saying it as like a like oh love is everything, because खाना है तुम्हें खाना नहीं होता वो तुझ संग सूखी रोटी भाई. But
Yeah,
why
yeah.
do you want to aspire to have a सूखी roti? Na, build something together. I get all of that, so I'm not being impractical. I'm just saying that I feel like if you love somebody so much, and I understand the circumstances are not in your support and not in your favor, but like कुछ तो मतलब like you could maybe work it out, maybe take a break or whatever, which I
Yeah,
don't understand
maybe.
again. But sure, if it that
No,
works
again,
for you.
I disagree.
Yeah?
कि maybe sometimes taking a break and thinking about things from a broader perspective
Helps.
can even लड़ाइयाँ जब होती हैं, आपकी लड़ाई होती है usually relationship में
I'm very like मतलब actually
होती है लड़ाई.
obviously.
अच्छा okay, are you the type of person who sleeps on a fight या
I
फिर
can't do that.
है ना you
I
have to
can't
sort
do
it ना,
that.
you
Yes,
have to sort
yes.
it before
And
sleeping.
And if I sleep कि मतलब क्योंकि sometimes men are just like oh मैं घर जाती सो गया था, like they open the door and they've fallen asleep on the दरवाजे के आगे,
Yeah.
which doesn't happen. And your laughter makes me feel like you're guilty of doing the same, so you don't do that. That is also
Sometimes
something.
you're just tired, okay?
Okay. And
but-
then you can just be like, listen, I'm tired, but I want to talk to you about this, and can we talk about it tomorrow after 2 hours or whatever?
Yeah.
But I'm here. Bye. Takes like what, 6 seconds.
I know. I agree. Don't sleep on a fight. या वरना वो जागती रहेगी बेचारी, सोचती
Yeah.
रहेगी, ओवरथिंक करेगी. नहीं प्लीज कुक पियो.
एंड फिर पर और उसके बाद द थिंग इज, अगर मैं जाग ली उसके बाद तो मैंने और 14 चीज़ें निकाल ली हैं सड़ने के लिए और लड़ाई करने के लिए. उसके बाद सडनली लड़के I swear to God, I sometimes wish I had a brain of a man because they're so clueless. They'll wake up and they're like, "Hi, baby."
They don't realize कि what
Bro.
has happened.
Yeah, क्या भूल
या
गए
फिर
हो
they will
क्या?
not acknowledge it.
Yeah.
Because उन्हें लगेगा कि रात की बात की या फिर just time हो गया तो it's just sorted. But girls pile up things in their head.
Which is why I don't let it. Like I have to
Okay.
word
You
vomit.
have to उसी time पे
Yeah.
solve करो.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I think can be both a good thing and a bad thing. It can be good because I will genuinely tell you everything that's in my head and I won't hide things. But it's also so much like sometimes you shouldn't say na. Sometimes you should keep something
क्योंकि
to
वो फिर
yourself.
आपका ऐसे फट के निकलता है कि वो
Yeah.
hurt कर देता है.
Yeah. Which is why sometimes it's like
थोड़ा tone down करके
Yeah.
बाद में बात करनी चाहिए थी शायद.
yeah. But patience, me.
No.
No, we are not on talking terms.
Did you ever live in Mumbai? I don't know why you give thoda andheri vibe.
I hope that's a good
been,
thing.
Yeah, I've just been to Mumbai like twice, and you give thoda sa Mumbai vibe. I don't know why.
I've only traveled to Mumbai for work. That too, it's also been very like go today, come back tomorrow, or like go today, come
Same.
today only. Like it's very
Same,
that.
same.
But I've never lived in Mumbai.
Okay.
But what does andheri vibe mean?
I don't know the way you talk. It's just yeah. कि शायद से मुंबई में रही थी या बड़ी हुई थी.
Bro, first of all, I can't even tell if it's a compliment or not because I'm not from Andheri. And I am asking him, but he's not telling me. But like, I'm a Delhi girl. Why are you calling me Mumbai? No. Delhi wali hu main. Sorry. I take offense to that.
So you always want to live in Delhi? Yeah.
Depends, really. Like, I always want to live in India? Yes.
Okay.
You know why? No, but also because बाहर टेलर नहीं होते ऐसे बैठे हुए. Like,
अच्छा,
that's
you
my
need a
biggest.
tailor.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
imagine like you get a pair of jeans and it's like
Yeah.
the perfect length and the perfect whatever fitting, but like थोड़ा सा कुछ
Alter
करना
कराना
है,
है.
and then you can't buy it because it's not perfect, but it literally is perfect. But like
Okay.
my भैया would do it ना, like वहाँ तो नहीं होता कोई.
So you take your fashion very seriously. Okay.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yeah.
But if I'm with somebody and I'm not taking my fashion seriously, some days that really means I like them.
Okay.
Because I'm that comfortable that I'm
कि
willing to.
हाँ. Okay, ऐसे उठ के चली गई.
Yeah.
Joggers में. Yeah, that's a good aesthetic. Like,
Athleisure, intimidating.
oh my, yeah. I keep forgetting this girl has seen all my reels, bro. It's scary, why? It's like you know what I'm about to say before I say it, why? Whew.
I see a vein popping. Because you're so.
Okay.
Because you were talking about Bollywood, abhi that Bodyguard song.
सबसे hard, सबसे.
No, the romantic song. What was it called?
Which song?
वो जहाँ पे उनके कॉलेज में वो लोग जाते हैं, like I remember the video. She's getting ready and all, like दिल का है क्या है राजा something. What was the name of that song though?
जाने क्या कर गई.
Yeah, what's
Shit.
the name of the song?
Do you guys know?
I love you.
I love you.
Already?
Bro, I did not see this coming by. Good one. Respect.
इतनी जल्दी यार, थोड़ा वेट तो करो.
Bro, okay. Why? You know, okay. This is also thoda sa scary red flag. कि you know too much, too many pickup lines or too many, you're too smooth.
That's a red flag.
Yeah. You've been on more dates. So I feel like, okay, I'm not that special.
But every date has been on camera. So you can literally see and I can't lie about it.
Okay.
Yeah. I do it for work, na? Then what?
Okay. ठीक है, फिर makes
So
sense.
now I should be, you know what? Biggest red flag. You know so much about women. So how many have you spoken to and how many have you been with?
No, I've only been in 2 relationships. That's it. So, yeah.
Let's see if that changes.
Oh, like
Yeah.
3rd relationship.
And last.
Yeah, like
Inshallah.
forever.
But were you that person? I used to draw like infinities and all of that at school mein.
No.
Pen se.
No,
That's a
no.
girl cringe thing.
No, that's cute. But I think school time pe We were just like एक दूसरे को लास्ट सीट पे मारते थे, but ज़्यादा कुछ इतना क्रिएटिव चीज़ें नहीं करते थे.
क्रिएटिव कहाँ है, हर लड़की के हाथ पे इन्फिनिटी और वो सेमीकोलन वाला वो होता था जो ज़्यादा डीप होती थी ना.
Yeah, that
उनके
is
हाथ पे
more deep.
सेमीकोलन होता
Yeah,
था.
what did it mean?
It means that it's not the end, because if it was the end, it would have been a full stop. So
Okay.
it's an end, but it's also a beginning of something new.
Okay.
So that's why.
So how were you as a kid in school, like in studies?
Studies wise, like I was like 8th, 9th, 8th tak I was good.
And I'll tell you why I
Yeah.
asked
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 9th में then I really like I was like I
Okay.
can't do this anymore. Like
Yeah.
पढ़ाई तो नहीं होगी.
Okay.
10th में I was again in like 80s type situation, and then
Okay.
11th, 12th I was like I'm
Okay.
back.
Okay.
Yeah. So that, and like वैसे otherwise पढ़ाई के अलावा I was a loser. I was the biggest loser in school. I used to sit alone and all of that.
Don't say that, yaar.
Yeah, genuinely I was.
No, but don't think of yourself as ये मतलब just you were an introvert. Don't
No.
use the word loser, please.
No, but people wouldn't talk to me, so I wasn't an introvert. I was not an introvert by choice.
Okay.
But it was very like, you know, school में होता भी है कि the
Yeah.
cool gang, and like I had strict parents, so I wouldn't
Yeah.
go to tuitions and बाहर momos खाने, this that. I was always at home, and so they were like, oh, you're not too cool. You're not very cool for us. So that's why like it never really happened.
When did you get the purple hair color?
This year only.
अच्छा, okay. And
First
इससे
time.
पहले?
I had pink hair, SI pink tha, and then purple, and then I keep switching. But this year only.
Okay.
Yeah, but then why did you ask?
Yeah.
Psychoanalyze me.
No, I just realized one thing while talking to you. कि the two relationships that I had and any girl that I've liked, कि okay, maybe something romantic can happen with
Yeah.
her. I don't know why there's always this similarity कि they're all toppers, like college toppers, school toppers, and yeah.
Yeah, you have a thing for smart women.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I just realized.
How were you in school?
I was good.
Good. I was hoping you would say you were bad, and then I would be like, I have a thing for dumb men. But well, things change.
I don't know what men she's been hanging out with, bro.
But usually it's so weird that people say that. Are you about to say something?
No, मैं mesmerized हो गया आपसे. So I just went in
So-
a phase
yeah.
में थोड़ा zone out हो गया.
Yeah,
आपको
ऐसे
देखते
गाने
देखते.
बजने लगते हैं आपको.
Yeah, वो I love you.
Are already again? Wait a little bit. But also like it's so. What was I saying now? I forgot.
Cute भाई.
But would you? What's a compliment that girls give you
हाँ.
that they think is a compliment but it's not?
I think मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा comment section वगैरह में voice.
Is nice.
Yeah.
So you don't like it.
नहीं, it's like
Yeah.
ठीक है मतलब हाँ normal है क्या बोलूँ. एक second. You said what's a compliment that I don't like.
Like girls give you thinking that it's nice,
हाँ.
but you're like,
अच्छा for guys in general.
yeah. Or for you, whatever.
नहीं चल रहा दिमाग अभी.
Okay. अगर आपके दिल में जगह नहीं है तो आप अपने दिमाग में दे सकते हो because वो खाली है.
भाई यार, you're funny भाई, you're
Thank
funny.
you.
That's good भाई.
Yeah.
Very attractive.
Thank you.
For sure. ये भी मेरे को अपनी एक रील में ऐड करना चाहिए था point, like funny वाला.
Funny. ठीक तो कुछ चीजें तो मेरे से मिलने के बाद बदलेंगी ना.
Yeah.
आप भी ना.
अब मेरी बाकी future reels आपके लिए dedicated होंगी.
Okay. और अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ 5 things red flags और फिर उसमें मेरे को मेरी थोड़ी वो दिख गई फिर
कि purple बाल.
yeah she has purple hair and neon nails, stay away, steer clear.
No, but ये वही मैं आपको शुरू में यही बोला था ना कि your aesthetic is very colorful sunflower golden retriever, so it's good.
Thank you.
Suits you.
Thank you. We'll do your hair purple also.
अरे नहीं भाई.
इतना men used to go to war. Now they can't lose their left profile for me. Now they can't color their hair purple. What do you mean, bro?
कलर दो हेयर पर्पल किसके लिए नॉर्मल होता है यार. I think we'll be a very weird couple.
Yeah. Why? Good weird or
कि
bad
मतलब
weird?
बाल कलर कर रहे हैं पर्पल. ये क्या होता है भाई.
So it's good ना?
हाँ, it's like cute, good, but
Yeah.
for other people it'll be like, bro, ये दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं भाई. It'll be like our world.
Yes. Do you believe in nazar and all?
Yeah.
Which is why you won't
Yeah,
hard
that's
launch
why.
me.
Oh, okay. But yeah, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा usually private रखता हूँ
Yeah.
चीज़ें because I believe in nazar, bro. It's real लगती है भाई.
कोई नहीं close friends पे.
Yeah. I don't have a close friends list.
Private account.
I don't have a private
Arre?
account.
You don't have close friends. You don't have private accounts. Where do you post your musty times? I want to see you do musty times.
जीते कैसे हो फिर आप?
भाई मेरे को बनाना है, मेरे को सब बोल रहे हैं कि विख्यात now please make a private account for your school
Yeah.
friends वगैरह. I need to do that.
School से याद है, what were those three that we used to study about? Biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere. Losing you, my biggest fear.
I knew something was coming, bhai. You know, you have that look whenever you're about to say some quirky line, you have that smile. So now I know.
Maybe it's just for you. Thought about that.
मैं बाकी एपिसोड्स भी देखूंगा कि ये स्माइल कहीं और आई क्या.
मैं झूठ ही नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, shit. But नहीं बोलना है मुझे आपसे झूठ. But आप, do you play games?
I won't play games with you.
Don't
Yeah.
play games with me. But I will play a game with you.
Okay. अच्छा that.
We have
okay.
something cute. We'll do
ठीक है,
that.
let's do it. Let's do it.
We have a fun game.
Okay, let's go.
आप मत खेलना मेरे साथ गेम.
हाँ, मैं नहीं
मेरे को
खेलूंगा.
allowed है.
हाँ, आप खेलो.
ठीक है?
मैं मना नहीं कर रहा.
So there are some questions that you'll ask me. There are some questions that I have that I'll ask you.
Okay.
You either give me an answer, very honest answer.
I
and
won't
if
lie to you.
Yeah, thanks. And if you don't want to answer a certain question, you have a shot of lemon juice.
अच्छा, it's lemon juice.
Yes.
And why is the
I'll
mirchi
tell
there?
you. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे लेमन जूस पी लिया
हाँ.
और आपको सेकंड भी आंसर नहीं करना है,
हाँ.
तो फिर आप फिर से लेमन जूस नहीं पी सकते हो. फिर आपको एक
मिर्ची खानी पड़ेगी.
like एक पूरी मिर्ची नहीं, but like
अच्छा,
one bite.
oh, okay, okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
And then if third you answer, fourth again, so you can't keep the same,
हाँ,
like
समझ
consecutively
गया.
you can't have the same thing.
Okay, ठीक है,
Okay.
ठीक है.
Who will go first?
You start.
I'll start. I'll ask you. Okay. What's the biggest paycheck you've received for a brand deal?
Bro, and my manager is sitting right there. I looked at him instantly.
All the best.
Shit, bro. भाई पहली बार में ही ले लिया मैंने.
All the best to me. 'Cause I don't know what's written.
भाई. Okay, now I ask.
Yes.
Call out a fake feminist or eat a mirchi.
I know too many fake feminists, but can I name them?
Yeah,
Is the question.
you can.
I can't name
You
somebody.
can.
No,
yaar.
no, no,
Come
no,
on.
no,
You
no,
trust
no.
me, can't you?
I trust you. I don't trust so many people. But
It's not like anybody's recording.
yeah, not like anyone can hear us. But no, I'd rather eat a mirchi. I'll be a
Okay.
girl's girl, even though they aren't. And I'll.
Best of luck. Okay, she actually did. You good?
So bad. Yeah.
You want a lemon shot?
No, thank you. No, I'm good. My turn.
Bhai, I'm scared, bhai.
An influencer or a content creator that you follow, but you have them on mute because they're cringe.
Actually, I haven't muted anyone.
Liar.
I swear I'll show you right now, but
Okay then, an influencer you find cringe and you want to mute.
bro, now I have to eat a mirchi. Arey yaar. Yaar.
कर दो आंसर, मत खाओ.
Okay, here goes nothing, bro.
इतनी हाँ बहुत बड़ा ना खत्म कर लिया आपने
ठीक है,
पूरी.
कॉल लेता हूँ भाई.
Wow, a man who listens to me, beautiful.
Of course. आप बोलोगे मैं पूरी मिर्ची खा लूँगा. Mirchi is better than the short.
Lemon?
Yeah.
Okay, then no mirchi for you.
ठीक है. My question, no?
Yes.
Who's the worst guest you've interviewed?
Just one. You. Because you're the worst guest ever. Because you're the best something else.
Okay. ठीक है, I'll give you that.
You'll give
ठीक
it.
है.
Thank you so much. I do not want to have that lemon shot.
ठीक है.
That works?
Works.
Beautiful. Okay. Great. What is something that you made fun of looking at other influencers do, but now you do it yourself?
Made fun of.
Or like just like you were like, this is so cringe, what do these influencers do, and now you're doing it yourself.
Yeah, I think there must be some things that I do now subconsciously looking back. But what is something that I do cringe?
जो आपको लगता था
हाँ,
cringe
okay,
है.
ठीक है.
Yes.
I'll say this, okay. So पहले when I was not a creator, I used to see लोगों की gym stories वगैरह, and I was like क्या डाल रहे हैं भाई, क्यों डाल रहे हैं? But now I've understood कि okay, it feels good कि you're not showing off, you just consistency or like audience likes it, bro. Like they
Yeah.
text कि okay, आप consistent हो या जो भी है, like healthy lifestyle, aspirational.
My audience for gym stories is the guy who likes when I have a cap on with headphones because no one disturb.
Bro, she has seen all the reels, bro. She has seen all the reels. Oh shit.
So no one can disturb her and she can work out in peace.
Bro, she knows too much. She knows too much.
It's so easy. to
You've
get
done your
away.
job. You've done your job really well. I'll
Thank
give you
you.
that. Bro, she has stalked me, bro. She has stalked me. Okay.
Okay, so you also answered. Your turn. No, my turn. No, your turn. Yes, your turn.
Name the go-to person when you need tea from about the influencer world.
Insta celeb gossip. Reddit.
Go-to person.
I know. Go-to person. I only have like one influencer friend. We might have a mutual friend.
Okay.
But I've never
Who?
really had tea with her. Like she's very nice.
Who?
Ashi.
Sani?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I've never had like tea. Like we've never had that.
मैं अभी 2 घंटे बाद उसी से मिलने जा रहा हूँ.
Love that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But tea वाला नहीं हुआ उससे कभी भी.
Okay.
I haven't ever called her for gossip. We have not done
Okay.
that. But I'm just thinking of who would know about influencer gossip, and that's the only
Yeah.
influencer friend I have.
Okay.
But I don't get tea from her.
Bro, she's the sweetest person
Yeah.
ever. Like, she is someone who has seen me cry on FaceTime and she knows about my life. So, bro, love you, Ashi Sani.
Love you, Ashi Sani.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like it's. But no, so तो invalid हो गया ना, so पीऊँ मैं.
नहीं, आपने आंसर कर तो दिया?
Please don't be that nice that people are like Vikhyat is biased and not following
No,
the
but
rules.
you said the go-to person.
But I said that I don't have that person. Na? The only influencer friend I
Acha,
have
okay.
is Ashi, but I don't.
Yeah, then you should. You haven't tried the shot, na? At least for the trial purposes.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you tell me if the mirchi is better or the shot.
I'm pretty sure the mirchi is better. It's gone also. It wasn't that tikha.
Yeah.
You know how you eat like like lemon chicken, and then end ki gravy you like.
Yeah.
It's that. It's good only. It's
Healthy.
Good. Yeah.
Vitamin C. Yes.
I only need vitamin V.
Bro, love it, bhai.
Okay. My turn.
Yeah, you ask.
Now let's see. Which influencers will you put in the following categories?
Okay.
So one per category, one influencer per category.
Okay.
One influencer that's not trolled enough.
Okay.
They should be trolled more.
Okay.
Second one is overhyped. And third one is they should up their game. So you have to give me names of people who fit into this category.
The problem is everyone is a very good friend.
Sure. But like, do you have a friend who's like, okay, don't take a name. But do you have a friend who you
Bro, ये जो reel कटेगी ना और जो मेरा edit बनेगा भाई यार.
like a really good friend? Okay.
हाँ.
But you don't like their content that much and you can't say it.
आप मेरे को cancel करवाओगे. But yeah.
तो मतलब है कोई दोस्त ऐसा? तभी तो शॉर्ट लिया. Okay, your turn.
Okay. Does size matter?
मिर्ची खानी है. मिर्ची का size matters. It's I've taken a big bite, so it hits and it is hitting.
Short ले लो.
Sure. Are you ready?
Yes.
Who's an influencer who looks better on Instagram than real life?
मिर्ची खानी है.
Short नहीं हाँ मिर्ची खानी है but ऐसे big bite लेना.
I took a big bite.
Yes, you did. Yeah, now it is. The mirchi is better.
Bro.
It's fine. Things will
Yeah.
heat up if you have me in your life. Get used to it.
Bro, that one hit, bhai.
Last question. आपका. फिर मेरा.
नहीं, दो
Do
बचे.
you want water or something?
No, good. Now I've started hiccups.
कोई याद कर रहा है आपको? मैं तो यहाँ बैठी हूँ. कौन है वो? Last question for you.
Okay.
Name someone who was rude to you
Hmm.
when you had just started,
Okay. Oh,
but is now nice to you now that you've had content creation success.
bro, there's so many.
Name one.
I can't name.
Name now one so you can name. Come on.
Short लेना है या मिर्ची?
Short.
Good questions, bro. Good
Okay.
questions. Spot on.
Don't take the name, but do you want to tell the story? कि maybe someone was, and don't take the name.
When I had started going out to events वगैरह, people meet you, and उस time पे I think I was at like 15,000 followers, 20,000 followers, and bro बहुत late realize होता है कि people judge you on your followers, and वो चीज़ मेरे को नहीं पता थी. So I remember there was this group of creators standing, and I had come इधर से, and then that creator literally went, and then वापस conversation में, and I was like, whoa. Then after about 1 year recently, I entered an event, and that person came up to me and then talking very nicely, and I'm like, हाँ, I'm also nice obviously, but I remember. So yeah.
Okay. Off camera बताना now.
Yeah.
पक्का off camera बताओगे ना?
Done.
Okay. Thank you.
Bro,
I am not on Insta Reddit telling you, "Oh, actually I got to know this tea."
Bro.
That's why I don't trust men.
Okay.
Okay, your turn. My last question, please.
Yes. Okay. Who would you want the next leader of the country to be?
This is easy. I'll win. Rahul Gandhi, because he's so hot. We deserve a hot leader, you know. Like people can be like, wow, like you know him in his salt and pepper hair, white kurta pajama.
No comments. No comments.
But since you have taken 3, and I've taken 2,
Yeah. You might as well wanna finish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go for it.
No guy has ever asked me to finish first. But I will.
For the spirit.
No, I'm taking this shot only and only because
I
you
said.
let me have my left profile. That's
See,
why.
we've come full circle.
Okay.
Bhai. She's cute, bhai. Cute
Thank
to
you.
hai.
Now that this is done.
Yeah. There's one more question on my card that I haven't asked yet.
Okay, ask me.
Which one? Although the game is over, but still for fun. So match these personalities: Aryan Khan, Shubman Gill, Rahul Gandhi. Whom would you go to an extreme measure for? And the situations are walking on ash, changing continents, or go bald for.
Won't go bald for nobody.
Okay.
Nobody's son, especially.
Okay.
I'll get a lot of hate for it, but I don't care much about cricket. So Shubman Gill is out. I'm not
Okay.
going bald for him.
Why? How can you not care about cricket? Why can't she? What?
I will walk on ashes for Mr. Aryan Khan.
Knew it. Of
Have
course.
to like, and
Yeah.
not because like only because of his dad. Like, आप तो मेरे वो हैं actually.
क्या है?
वो है बस. पूजा करनी है चाहती हूँ मैं आपकी. That. So I think I'll walk on ashes for Aryan Khan. And will I change continents for Rahul Gandhi? Just to get an interview?
Maybe,
I will.
Yeah.
I will. He's so hot.
What is this obsession?
Bro, he's so hot. Raga, my man.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, but I'll give you a situation. If you and I are stuck on an island,
Ideal. Best. Let's do it.
if you're listen to it, okay, Pura. If you're stuck on like a tropical location,
Yeah. Like मतलब समुंदर है चारों
Yes.
तरफ और हम ही हैं बस.
Yes,
तो,
yes.
Perfect.
and if you have to call somebody,
Signal आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे?
yes, आ रहे हैं signal. But if you have to call somebody to get us out of there, who are you going to call?
I don't want to get out of that.
That's the right answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you win. Good, I'm not going to pick a fight with you then.
I think मेरे से fight वैसे भी नहीं करोगे आप.
क्यों? अगर आप घर जाते ही सो जाओगे
नहीं
ना
सोऊंगा
बिना
मैं, नहीं
तो
सोऊंगा.
लड़ना पड़ेगा
I'll
फिर.
text you कि
सोना
if-
है पर बात नहीं करोगे.
रात को बात करके सोएंगे. We won't sleep on a fight.
Okay,
Yeah,
done.
done.
But also, what would your best friend say is your type? Not your type, but what would your best friend think that your type is?
यार वही I think that the thing that I said बीच में कि very smart like all my like जिसको भी मतलब मेरे को जो भी पसंद आई है या
Yeah.
फिर my past two relationships straight A students toppers college toppers so I think
So your best friend will approve of me?
You need to take a moment of silence before you can approve me. No. You have to be sure. You have to be so sure of me. Otherwise, just don't talk to me.
yeah I think so
ये जो pause लिया है ना
yeah no
Yeah.
once my guy friends meet you
Yeah.
they will get to know you
But what if there's like a fight
between
between
us
your friends and me?
who would
Then
I choose
who are you gonna choose?
I will choose you but I also want
Why are you so scared? I will choose you. I'm not holding you on
because मेरे
gunpoint.
दोस्त भी हैं भाई जैसे
Of course.
तो या उनसे भी बना के रखनी है
Hmm.
या क्योंकि परसों आप मेरा दिल तोड़ोगे तो मैं उन्हीं के पास जाऊंगा ना वापस तो
But मैं आपका दिल नहीं तोड़ूंगी. जिसने तोड़ना था तोड़ दिया. अब I am here to fix it.
you're promising that
Promise. And what is a woman if she doesn't break her promises? But
Okay.
thank you so much for doing
Thank you
this.
so
I
much
had a
for
lot of
inviting
fun.
me
Of course, now
and I hope we stay connected
yeah,
yes.
we will. I'll go change and then we'll go to
Yeah.
Pan Asian
Okay, Pan
place
Asian,
for
yes.
dinner.
3 things you liked about him.
I think he was a good listener. He was bringing up things that I have already said. So, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था that he heard them in a passing. It was like he paid attention. So, he's a good listener. Secondly, I think that he was letting me be. He wasn't cutting me off, which is a major ick that most men just don't know. He wasn't cutting me off.
3 things you liked about her.
Yeah, she's very like she has that energy कि मैं उससे कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ. I know she won't judge. Second, yeah, but she's too smooth. Now I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. She's too smooth with the punchlines. She can be a good company as a friend maybe. Date romantic, I'm not sure.
Is he your type?
Is he my type? I mean, not really. But was he sweet? Yes. But I think it's more like of like a hangout vibe. Like I'd hang out and chill with him. I don't think that he's my type and I'd get like butterflies. But I think he's chill and a fun person to be around.
But
But not.
What does your mom do?
My mom is a teacher.
Teacher. I thought she was a lawyer.
Why?
Because I could see her becoming my mother-in-law.
and cut.
Bro.